What is present perfect? Let's find it out together. The present perfect is used to talk about experiences, changes, and actions that started in the past but are connected to now. So experiences, changes, and also actions are important in this grammatical structure. We have to know the actions, they are all started in the past, but they continue to present. So it's super important. What is the structure of present perfect? Like always, we have the subject at the beginning of the sentence, then we have or has, and past participle. What is past participle? Do you know? Past participle means the verb 3, the third form of the verb. Let's find it out together. For example, verb 1 is go, verb 2 is went, which is simple past or past simple, we could say, and the verb 3 or the third form of the verb is gone. And gone, the third form of the verb, is important for us. Now let's take a look at some examples. I have eaten breakfast. Have eaten. Next one, she has gone to school. She has gone. Has gone. Has because the subject is she. Next example, I have seen this man. Have seen. Next one, she has grown a lot. Has grown. Next example, you have lived in this town since 2010. Next, they have visited Paris. Have visited Paris. So, we use the present perfect in 3 main situations. First of all, whenever we want to talk about life experiences. I have visited Paris. Next, to describe changes over the time, like he has grown a lot. Or to talk about actions that started in the past and still continue. So please remember, do not say, I have went. Because went is verb 2 and we need the verb 3, the third form of the verb. We have to say, I have gone. Now it's your turn. Please make some examples with present perfect and comment in the comment below. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Bye for now.